Hello everyone! Happy Crafting Friday! Today I am preparing a treat. It's a treat and a craft. My grandkids are coming from Orlando, kind of like a surprise visit. And like you see, I still have these candy canes, so I'm going to put them together using these dots. These are glue dots. I'm putting the two candy canes together to form a heart. And now I'm going to use this ribbon to decorate it on the top, like this, something simple. Now I'm going to also add a little bit more goodies using these ziplocs. And then I'm going to add these yummy gummy bears. They smell delicious. Cute, isn't it? Now I'm gonna prepare the second one so they each can have one. That's it. I'm sure they're gonna love it. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye bye.